Hi guys, it's Ruthie and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be super exciting because I'm going to be creating two characters to add to the koala family, Kevin and Kiki's parents. Yay! I decided that Kevin and Kiki needed some parents, and I also wanted to kind of like, that day I was just feeling it, drawing something and creating something, so I decided to come up with some characters, and I went ahead and did the koalas just because I like drawing those and they're kind of the easiest thing to draw for me. So I just started sketching my sketchbook, kind of like what features they would have and all of that. Also, like, whenever you come up with ideas for characters or anything, if you're wanting to come up with a character, this is a great thing to fill up your sketchbook. Just character design in general, you're constantly tweaking the face, you're tweaking something, and it's just taking up more and more space, which is awesome. Again, character design is a little bit difficult for me because I'm not very good at drawing people. I know I can be. I've done some people drawings and I know they're not that bad, but still the character anatomy is just hard in general. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the features that the parents will have. So right now I'm actually working on the mom, and I did actually do a quick sketch over there, a very quick sketch. Yeah, still getting used to sketching and drawing digitally. Yeah, okay. So you can see on the right I have Kiki over there, just kind of act as a reference, but I wanted her mom to be kind of similar, but look almost older, so I decided to give her a big bow, almost kind of like Minnie Mouse, and I also included polka dots in her apron, so yeah, that's kind of funny. So I decided to give her that giant bow in the center because, you know, Kiki has her little bow in the corner, so I decided to give her one in the center. And she also has an apron, so she's a stay-at-home mom. She works in the kitchen a lot and cooking, and sometimes she'll kind of clean up the house and all of that while the dad goes to work, which I'll talk about him in a little bit. Let me tell you, this apron drove me crazy. I could not figure out how everything was supposed to go, and it took me a little bit, and I don't know if I was exactly happy with the end result of the apron, but I don't know why, but this apron was so hard to draw. It was kind of difficult whenever I did it traditionally as well in my sketchbook. Yeah, I don't know. And for some reason I was having some major coloring issues today. I don't know what happened with that. So yeah, so please bear with me. So here I'm adding the polka dots, and then I'm adding the little pocket just to finish off the whole look. So now moving on to the dad, I decided again to do it kind of similar to Kevin, and so yeah, I did the same body shape. I just kind of copied and pasted the mom in like the layer again. I don't know why I'm having difficulty explaining this. I just copy and pasted her character and kind of took pieces off, like her bow and her apron, just to get the koala body, and then I added on his only clothing, a tie. So if you know what Kevin, he has a red bow tie, so I decided to give his dad a tie, just kind of look a little bit more like a business kind of look to him. So he does go to work. I'm not really sure what his job is. I never really thought about that. I'm sure some sort of office job, but I just thought since his son had a little red bow tie, I thought it would be just perfect to add him a little, or not really little, but just a tie to complete his look as well. So I think that is pretty much it for Kevin and Kiki's parents. I haven't picked out a name, so I am going to put a poll of some options in the video, maybe around here or so, and so you guys can vote and I can decide, and I will actually reveal it in a couple, and maybe in my next video when I actually kind of finalize them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!